So it's another day and another build here at Microcenter. And as you can see, I'm in a very different location than our studio.
Are you guys ready for us to open Microcenter? Microcenter Phoenix officially open. This is your Microcenter now. Come on in. This is the 30th store in our chain. I know that the city of Phoenix has been without something like a Microcenter for quite some time, but just so you know, there's nothing quite like a Microcenter.
It's actually the Knowledge Bar at the new Phoenix location, and we set up a little in-store studio just like we did in Santa Clara. Now, we've had some influencers come by today. Austin Evans was just here, Mr. Easter was just here, and now it's my turn to do a build. But the cool thing about this build, we're actually giving this one away today.
How long have you been here?
Since last night, 9 p.m.
What are you looking forward to most from your brand new Microcenter?
Graphics card.
Okay.
First and foremost, yeah. Probably the 5090, if there's any available. I'm sure there are.
Big one to start off with.
Yep.
What about you?
He's always trying to outdo me. You see what I got to deal with all night? Probably 50, 80. I mean, get all 490s, you know?
And I have to ask.
No, nothing.
Nothing, just along for the ride.
Before, yeah.
Absolutely. Have you guys been to a Microcenter store before? Is this your first ones?
First one. I've been seeing the deals online for years, but never been to one.
Yeah.
We used to
well,
have
hey.
Fry's here, Fry's Electronics. And then they got shut down, and finally you guys got here.
Congratulations for being the first in line.
Thank you so much.
Give you a $100 gift card.
That's fantastic.
Appreciate it.
That's awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Congratulations. Hi, Nolan. Congratulations. Here's a $100 gift card. Thanks for waiting outside. Congratulations. Here's a $100 gift card. Thanks for waiting outside.
Thank you. Now, at the core of today's build is going to be the AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D. Really great gaming CPU, and that is going to be paired off with this Zotac Gaming RTX 5080. I really like the way that this card looks. It has a really, really nice look with the different coloration here with the black and the kind of bronzish color here. The theme for today's build is actually going to be understated, no RGB, but it's still going to look really, really clean. And I'm actually really happy with that because RGB builds, while theoretically RGB does make your PC faster, I do like a simple build, and it's just going to have a splash of color with the LCD screen on our Nautilus 360 from Corsair. Everything else here, no RGB on the fans, keep things kind of simple. A little bit of RGB on our motherboard with our ROG Strix X870E-E gaming Wi-Fi, and in our build, we're going to house it in this C8 wood from Antec. Again, simple case, I like it a lot, wood accent on the front. You're seeing this a lot more in cases these days. Now for our SSD, I went with a Samsung 990 EVO. That's gonna be a real good one. And I think for this one, I went with 2 terabytes. I also have crucial DDR5 Pro memory, 32 gigabytes there. So all in all, we're looking at a really solid gaming build. A little bit of content creation, a little bit of video editing. GPU is gonna do a lot of the heavy lifting with that one. But all in all, this is gonna be great. So whoever wins this, I think they're going to be very excited to take this one home.
Have you been to a Microcenter before?
No, this is my first time.
Well, that's very exciting. Are you from the Phoenix area?
Yes. Born and raised my whole life.
And how long have you been here?
We got here, me and my son got here like around like 5:30.
Been to the Indiana one, and I've been to the one up in Cleveland, I believe, or near Cleveland.
Okay.
So makes my 4th Microcenter.
Awesome.
Really excited to have one in Phoenix. Makes it now every place I've lived. There's always been a Microcenter now.
What are you here for?
A whole computer. I'm going to build a whole computer. We're going to get a 5090.
Okay.
Probably the Intel Core Ultra 9.
Okay.
And then 128 gigs of RAM. A creator PC.
Happy that there's actually a technology store I can just come to that's nearby.
Yeah, to be able to have a new technology store after that other company went under during the pandemic. It's nice to have a real PC paradise over here.
You have the Ubiquity stuff here, which is really great.
We have an incredible display in all our new stores of the Ubiquity stuff, so you'll have a great time.
Excited.
Yeah.
Don't have to wait for shipping.
Not having to worry about shipping or anything, waiting 2 weeks to get my products in.
Yeah.
That's a big pain.
You know, if you have a problem with your power supply or something, you can just come right back up here instead of having to ship it back and all that.
So I have our motherboard all set. Everything's opened. I did a lot of box opening and preparation over here. I've got our CPU, SSD, and our memory. So why don't we get started with our CPU installation. So 9800X3D, that's gonna be 8 cores, 16 threads. It's good to have that expanded V cache that you need, which really helps you out with gaming over there. And I'm gonna get this guy installed. Now remember, this is gonna be the PC that we are gonna be giving away. All right, so I have my CPU installed. I'm gonna install a couple of other components, but I think I'm gonna need some thermal paste in a bit. and I know just who to call. And today we have Mr. Yeaster.
What up? Happy to be here.
How you been, man?
Amazing. This has been fantastic.
This has been a really fun day. So what kind of shenanigans have you been up to, by the way?
Let's see. Austin Evans and I built a PC inside of a very unique small form factor case, which was a lot of fun. And then after that, we built another PC, but also had a typing test activity.
Yeah, I like that one. That was a lot of fun.
It was a lot of fun. The caveat being, instead of a normal keyboard, we had to use barcode scanners. And honestly, people got pretty into it. Like the speed at which people learned how to use the barcode scannings, like that was really impressive.
I wish I had more time to like try it more, because like I was kind of getting the hang of it, and you got to figure out the distance from the barcode for it to register.
There's a
and
distance,
sort of
there's an angle thing. You also have to be looking up and down, because you have to figure out what you're typing. It's a pretty unique set of skills, but someone got 27 words per minute.
27?
Which is crazy.
I got 12. What's your record for that one?
Over 40.
Jeez, man.
But that's after like doing it for 4 hours straight. Right. And I think I was telling you this, I couldn't sleep that night because I just heard beeps when I closed my eyes.
Dreams of the...
I don't recommend. But sometimes sacrifices are worth it, like when typing on a barcode keyboard.
See, that's why I like having Adam over here with us, because there's always some shenanigans going on every time he's doing something with us.
It's always fun. It's always fun.
So speaking of shenanigans, laser tag with barcodes.
Okay, this is $1 million idea. Yeah. That you told me earlier.
I'm expecting you to see this.
I'll give you
because
credit.
well, that's fine. You do the barcodes, right? You get the barcodes. You can barcode like arms, like shoulders, heart, whatever, and then you can do laser tag with the barcodes.
So cool. So you can register hits.
Yeah.
You have to be in like close proximity. It's like dueling, the modern age, like I don't know, dueling.
So how have you been liking Phoenix so far?
It's been beautiful. I mean, I haven't seen a cloud in the sky, so the weather's been great.
It's very sunny, by the way. And kudos to all the people that have been waiting to come into microcenter.
That's true. The line today was like looping around the entire building, which is crazy.
Yeah, I know.
I mean, that just goes to show how enthralled people around here are for microcenter.
Seriously,
which is fair. Like they should be. I mean, look at this place. It's crazy.
But you know the number one thing I've heard today?
What's that?
I needed a SATA cable, and I didn't want to wait for it to come online. I heard that from more than one person, at least like 6 people. I was like, I just needed like a $5 SATA cable for this old hard drive I want to plug in, and I'm not going to order it online.
Well, you know what? Microcenter can fix that issue.
That's what we're here for.
Along with also selling 5090s and full pre-built PC.
Whether you need a 5090 or a SATA cable.
Honestly, there's something to be said about just the spectacle, right? Like the coming here for the grand opening is just an experience. And like that's priceless.
Speaking of spectacle, I feel like you have a spectacle on you right now. Well, I'm gonna need thermal paste in a little bit. Can you help me out? Because usually you come in clutch with that.
I do happen to be packing a fresh tube of Yeaster paste.
So do you take this on the airplane with you?
I do. I take a lot of it on the airplane with me, actually. No one stopped me yet.
Well, it's not liquid metal, so I guess it's not going to go off on the...
That's actually true. Can you go through the like TSA with liquid metal?
You know, that's going to be your next crazy video.
Do you have a preference of thermal paste pattern?
No, I don't have a preference. I like your usual kind of like Easter smile, so if you want to hook me up with one of those.
We'll go with the smiley face. Looks like we have the 9800X3D, so we got to make sure it stays nice and cool. We'll get some full coverage, and we'll make it real happy.
Happy little CPUs.
Yeah, you were talking about being the Bob Ross.
Yeah, we have a Bob Ross approach here. I like it. That's a happy guy.
Happy little CPUs.
Almost as happy as the people who have been here today.
So. Everyone's been so happy, honestly.
I know, it's been a good crowd, actually. Vibes have been really nice, so I really like that a lot.
Hey, thank you, man.
And make sure, keep that thing holstered.
Peace out. Yeah, that's right.
All right, so now that we got our thermal paste ready for later, I'm gonna get some of our memory installed. Now, when it comes to installing your memory, I have 2 sticks here, so you want to make sure you always go for that A2, B2. There's that diagram right here. Make sure you follow that along. I like that they have a diagram for your memory, so that way you always know which way to put it. So we had our VIP days. That was on Wednesday. And with our VIP days, that's where you can sign up and you can get access to the store ahead of time. You do get a free gift in the form of a flash drive. It's a 128 gigabyte flash drive that you can pick up. We also have our free mugs that we handed out as well. Those are always a hit. And that's a limited time item, actually. We only make them when we have a new store. So if you got a flash drive, if you got yourself a mug, it's a good combo to have.
If I could get my hands on that free mug, I'll like that.
Well, good news. I think that's a pretty good chance of that happening. Are you from Phoenix then? Did you drive in from a distance?
No, I'm from here.
Okay, so not a huge drive.
Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, the next closest one was in Tuxton. So I was waiting for this one. I saw it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Looking to do a new PC build.
Okay.
Maybe get like a 5080 Founders Edition if they're still available by the time we get there.
I'm in Queen Creek, so it was about an hour.
Okay.
But not too bad.
Bit of a hike, but it's worth it to hang out with friends for a while 100%. And then get to build a new computer. Absolutely. Absolutely.
So one thing that we did today that was a little bit different than some of the other grand openings that microcenter has done, we had some of our vendors show up. We had some tents outside with AMD, Intel, and MSI. They showed up and they had a couple of cool things that they put on demo. They had a couple of things that they wanted to give away. So some t-shirts, some swag. I saw the MSI Dragon out there as well. So that was actually really, really cool to see. But it's really nice when we have so many people that want to come to microcenter and we want to be able to give them something, just an entire experience that they could tell their friends about, especially they've been waiting in anticipation for so long here in Phoenix, so we really wanted to make it memorable. A lot of the people who were waiting out overnight for us to open up, for the grand opening.
How long have you been here so far then?
Oh gosh, at 7:30 this morning, so yeah, a few hours.
Oh, so you're gonna be like well over the 24-hour threshold at this point.
27 and a half, I think we calculated, yeah.
Well, hey, I mean, obviously you're very excited to get in.
Absolutely.
What are you looking to pick up?
My wife needs a new laptop.
Okay.
So that's kind of the plan, but this is every hobby, 3D printing, building PCs. This is my store. These are my people.
Yeah.
So everything, I don't know. It's like a kid in a candy store in there. So
I've heard that a lot.
I'm like wide open. I don't know what. Yeah.
Have you been?
My wallet's crying already.
Have you been inside yet?
Yeah, I was actually here Monday morning. I found out Sunday night people were getting in, so I came up here Monday. I was actually the first person inside Monday. Me and one other guy was kind of a little bit lower key than this, but yeah, I came in Monday. It was great. I got a couple little things, but it's like I'm coming back. I have to be first in line on the 7th, and then we'll figure out how to do that. So yeah, it's 27-hour things the way we do it.
So I assume you're aware of our little prize that we have for our
I heard there's a rumor about it. I don't know what it is. I'm just taking a chance.
Well, I can tell you it's not a rumor. I can't tell you what's in them, but I can tell you we've got prizes for our first 5, 30, and 100 people in line.
Oh, here I am.
So you all are in for some good stuff tomorrow.
We got them some special goodie bags. And then we were able to hand out a whole bunch of other free fun things. And then obviously we have the PC that we're giving away today. So this is going to be a whole lot of fun. Now I'm just going to install my Samsung 990 EVO Plus and get that going. And I love the sliding mechanism on these Asus motherboards because it makes it so easy to install your SSD. Now I'm getting this in the top slot over here. Got my plastic off, make sure that's all set. So today's been a really fun day. I'm actually really happy with the way that it's been going so far. We've had so many people come on out. Yeah, we have our SSD installed. Our motherboard is all set. Cool. I gotta say, one thing I'm gonna miss is gonna be the turntable. I'm gonna share the work. What's your name?
Miku.
Miku? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I've got a bunch of stickers on these fans. Here, everybody gets a fan and a sticker. You can just peel it right off. This is gonna be my fastest build yet because I've got help. All right, so I'm swapping out a couple of things on this case. There's a fan bracket that's pre-installed. It's a 140 millimeter fan bracket. Since my fans are 120 millimeters, and I'm gonna install 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all 120 mil, I gotta change the bracket over. Now, fortunately, it comes with that bracket, but that's something that you gotta do while you're doing the build. So I'm just taking the screws, swapping out the bracket. I'm gonna start getting some of the fans in there, get that AIO installed. All right, we're gonna play a game. You ready? I wanna pass the cable through. You're gonna try to figure out which one it is and where it goes. Think you got what it takes?
Probably. Goes right here.
Also, I'm routing it to where it should go anyway, so that's gonna help you out.
Oh, and it helps that I built a PC with this exact motherboard.
Yep, find the missing pin. There you go, that's front panel right there. Unified front panel, which on a case like this, I'm actually kind of glad it has. Well, keep an eye out for some sales coming up. Black Friday's right around the corner, holidays, all kinds of other things. The big benefit right now is 20% off on laptops and desktops. All right, so I've got my AIO installed, I've got the fans installed, and I've been talking to a bunch of customers that have been hanging out with me here. But right now, we just had the AMD giveaway. AMD, their booth out there, they did a big giveaway, which got a really, really big crowd. So that was actually pretty cool to see. The build is coming along here. I've got everything plugged into the motherboard. I've got my power cables run. Basically, all I have to do is finalize the AIO installation. I'm just going to get the pump screwed down there, and we can just kind of move along. Grand opening has been pretty fun. This has been really, really cool to meet everybody, talk to everybody. I mean, we've been talking tech all day. There's been a lot of cool things going on. A lot of people were really happy to see some of the vendors that we brought out, some of the influencers that we brought out. So, you know, if a microcenter is coming to you in the near future, I think you're going to have a really, really good time. So make sure you check out microcenter.com or subscribe to all of our socials, our YouTube channel, so you can get notifications about new microcenters coming to you. I'm going to finish this build. All right, we've got our 5080 right over here. This is our Zotac Gaming 5080. And I did a little cable management. I mean, everything's kind of set. I'm going to do a couple more tweaks, but I'm just going to get the GPU in this guy. There we go. All right, I got it all set up. GPU's in there. I fixed up the cables a little bit. It actually looks pretty nice in the back, so I'm feeling pretty good about this. So let's see if it posts, and I'll get this prepped for our giveaway winner. All right, so a little RGB here, right? You've got the screen over here, a little bit there. And there's room for 2 more drives in the back if you want to add them. There we go. All right. So our build is all done. It has been a very interesting, a very long, and a very fun grand opening here at the new Phoenix Micro Center. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, support us, check us out. We'll have tons of fun videos, news, all kinds of things there. And make sure you stop by your local Micro Center. And to everyone out there that does not have a Micro Center near them currently, well, then you got to comment hashtag I want a Micro Center near me.
Thank you guys for coming to Phoenix. It's great. I'm excited.
Glad there's a Micro Center here in Phoenix.
Yeah.
That everybody's hungry for it.
I'm trying to get some upgrade parts for my current build.
Okay.
So like motherboard, CPU, RAM, and a power supply. Oh, and graphics card. So pretty much almost a whole overall.
Top bottom, yeah, absolutely.
Micro Center's here close now. So
yeah.
whenever I need any more stuff, right here. I don't have to drive all the way to California.
How is it going?
It's going good.
How long have you been here?
Since 3 a.m.
I think I got here at like 8:15. 6:15. It was earlier than that.
Okay, a little bit of a longer wait
You
then.
wait that long, you lose track of time a little bit.
Yeah, no, I get that actually.